In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings in Claude AI. First, open your web browser and search for Claude AI. From the results, choose the official site that references Anthropic and open it so you know you're in the right place. Sign in by continuing with Google or using your email. Complete any prompts until you're on the main chat interface, where you'll see the sidebar and your recent conversations. To reach the settings, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click your user profile. This may show your initials or your name, then select Settings from the menu that appears. In general, set how you want Claude to address you, add a brief description of your work, and note any personal preferences to guide responses. These details help Claude tailor tone, context, and formatting to your needs. You can also toggle notifications for response completions if you want a heads up when longer replies finish. Customize the appearance with options like color mode and chat font so the interface feels comfortable on your eyes. If you use voice, adjust voice settings here to match your listening preferences. In Account, you can log out of all devices or delete your account. Logging out everywhere is useful if you've signed in on a shared computer. Deleting your account is permanent, so be certain before proceeding. You'll also see your organization ID and any active sessions, which is handy for basic account oversight. In privacy, export your data if you want a copy of your information. Manage whether chats can be shared, set memory preferences that control how Claude remembers context, and decide if location metadata is included. You can also choose whether to share anonymized usage data to help improve Claude. Take a moment here to align settings with your comfort level. In billing, check the benefits included with your current plan or select Upgrade Plan if you need more features or higher limits. It's a quick way to see what you're getting today and what an upgrade would add. In capabilities, choose whether Claude should generate memory from chat history and whether to import memory from other AI providers. You can manage tool access and visuals and enable options like code execution, file creation, and skills. Turn on only what you need, especially for features that can run code or create files. In connectors, link Claude to Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, and GitHub. Approve the permission prompts as needed, and remember, you can disconnect services later from the same area. Lastly, under Claude Code, manage your authorization tokens. Keep tokens secure and rotate them if you suspect exposure. That's it. Explore each section, confirm your choices, and you're set to make Claude work the way you do. Changes typically save as you go, but if you see a Save button, click it before you exit.